Hi, good morning. Today I discuss with the market opportunities. So, marketing management, it is market opportunity. It is a favorable situation or condition in the business environment that allow a company to grow and expand and increase the profit by meeting customer needs better than the competitors. So, some other examples given to the previous slide. First one, it is growing demand for eco-friendly product and the rising internet usage creating space for e-commerce, a competitor having the market, changes in government policy and the benefit of the sector, technological advancement and changing the consumer preference. So this is the tool used for the marketing opportunity. It is a SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, and opportunity and the threat. And the pistol analysis, it is the political, economic, social, and technological environment and legal factors and competitor analysis and finally it is the consumer analysis. So it is analyzing marketing opportunity, it is market demand analysis. It is a if check there enough demand for the product and services and identify the customer pain point of and unmet needs. Competitor analysis, and then consumer trend behavior, and then uh, technological and environmental changes and profit political feasibility. So this is a analyzing marketing opportunity. So it is a SWOT analysis and pistol, and then it is SWOT analysis, it is internal strength and weakness, external opportunity and threats. Competitor analysis, understand the revival strength, the revival strength and uh, of the product. Consumer analysis, it is the consumer lifestyle and preference and buying patterns of the customers.